pertama kali datang ke booth COSMAX ini karena booth COSMAX ini sangat eye-catching. Lalu produk-produk yang ditata itu rapi banget dan semuanya perfect.
Oke, thank you so much COSMAX untuk sessionnya hari ini. Senang banget bisa dapat a lot of new knowledge and a lot of new perspectives yang udah disampaikan sama tim COSMAX hari ini untuk team from this island. Definitely grateful and it was a very inspiring and insightful session. So thank you.
COSMAX keren banget buat booth-nya, terus lengkap banget mulai dari informasi-informasi sama PIC-nya juga ngejelasin setiap ada visitor yang datang ngejelasin tentang lengkap, terus tren-tren yang terbaru juga keren banget dari COSMAX.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah.
Oke, hai, aku Sheila dari brand Elf Formula. Dan kita emang udah ya lama jadi kliennya COSMAX. Menurut aku kalian upgrade banget sih dari tahun lalu, dan kayak setiap kali kita kesini tuh banyak banget kayak inspirasi kita kayak wow mau bikin produk baru dan lain sebagainya. So like we're so happy to be here every year, and semoga kedepannya juga COSMAX akan lebih jago lagi untuk membuat formula-formula yang kita mau, dan semoga kita juga semakin suka sama formula-formula yang diberi oleh COSMAX Indonesia. Thank you for inviting us.
And I've been to the COSMAX booth in the show, and it's amazing. Like, I've been through all the different new innovation that they have, and it's really fantastic. The people here have been really kind to take me around and have the patience to really explain to me all the different things that it does, and also what the benefits of this new innovation does, and the current trends.
Teman-teman, kita dapat juara untuk booth termewah. Kita senang sekali, dan mungkin tahun depan kita bawakan